Hello friends, today's our topic is multiple choice questions of crop protection and management of class 8. So now we will start. Here is first question. Organic waste can be decomposed to form dash which can sustainably enhance the nutrient content of the soil. Options are compost, cow dung, fertilizer or pesticide. So answer is compost. We know after composting organic waste are decomposed naturally to form nutrient rich compost. Now second question, select the methods of irrigation which can be employed in an uneven land. Here is given some irrigation method, mode, sprinkler, chain pump, drip system. So we will select what is the good irrigation system for the uneven land. So it is first according to these options there is sprinkler and drip system, second and fourth, because other moat and chain pump is related to even land. Now next is which of the following is a rabi crop? First rice, mustard, second mustard, third soybean, fourth maize. So here is mustard because remaining others are related to kharif crops. Now fourth question, which of the following should be used by a farmer with a large farm to harvest his crops quickly and efficiently? Options are winnowing machine, combine, sickle, seed drill. So answer is combine because combine is used for harvesting and threshing in both work. Now fifth question is, in today's world where water is a scarce resource, which among the following irrigation method is most feasible and sustainable? Options are sprinkler system, drip system, tube well, chain pump. So answer is drip system because it's help in releasing water drop by drop into the soil direct to roots of plants. Now sixth question, consider the following statement about weeding and identify the incorrect one. तो हमें यहाँ पर incorrect sentence को find करना है according to weeding. So first is weeding is best done during tilling itself. This is correct. Weeding is the process of growing weed. No, it is incorrect sentence. So I think this is the answer. First we will search from other. Weeding is the process of removal of weeds. Yes, weeding is usually done manually or by using weedicide. It is also correct. So answer is B. Now next is, what are the important steps in the preparation of soil? A. Loosening and sowing. B. Loosening and weeding. C. Turning and sowing. D. Turning and loosening. So we know in the preparation of soil, ploughing is there is turning and loosening. Which of the following is not a traditional irrigation method? इसमें से हमें जो ट्रेडिशनल मेथड नहीं है इरिगेशन का वो निकालना है. सो दैट इज़ ड्रिप सिस्टम. रिमेनिंग ऑल अदर्स आर traditional methods of irrigation. Now question number 9. If you were a farmer, which of the following method will you use to separate good quality and viable grains from a heap of grains after harvest? आपको कौन सा मेथड यूज़ करना है जिससे कि आपको ये पता लगे कि जो सीड जो है वो अच्छी क्वालिटी का है. सो चेकिंग द वेट ऑफ ग्रेन्स, नो. चेकिंग ग्रेन्स अंडर सनलाइट एंड पोर्स, नो. इमर्सिंग द ग्रेन्स इन वाटर, this is correct. Sowing seeds and waiting for germination, no. After germination not possible to do anything. So C is answer. Immersing the grains in water. Now question number 10. Which of the following is used to preserve food grains at home? Options are spinach leaf, curry leaves, neem leaves, tulsi leaves. So answer is neem leaves. We know. Now here is some questions for you. You find out answers and write in comment box. I will check there. Now question number 11. Weeds are controlled by chemicals called pesticides, fungicides, weedicides, insecticides. So answer is weedicides. Here is given one example 2,4-D. Now next is, which type of irrigation is similar to rainfall? रेनफॉल की जैसा दिखने वाला इरिगेशन कौन सा है, लगने वाला या दिखने वाला? सो हेयर इज मोट, स्प्रिंकलर सिस्टम, रहट एंड ड्रिप सिस्टम. सो वी नो स्प्रिंकलर सिस्टम जस्ट लाइक अ रेनफॉल. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 13, what are the advantages of preparing the soil? Here is given first all of these: makes decomposition by microbes easier, makes the topsoil nutrient rich, allow roots to penetrate the soil easily. So all are correct. Now next question is, arrange the following agricultural practices in the order in which they are followed. There is harvesting, sowing, storage, irrigation and preparation of soil. So we will arrange first. There is first one is preparation of soil, second is sowing, then third is irrigation, then fourth harvesting, then fifth one is storage. So answer is option B. Now next question is, the process of loosening and turning the soil is known as winnowing, ploughing, harvesting and threshing. So answer is ploughing, because ploughing is related to loosening and turning the soil. Now next question is, the process of drying wheat stalk in the sun and then beating them to separate the grains is called winnowing, threshing, churning और sieving. So answer is threshing, because in the threshing में क्या होता है कि हम उसको स्टाक के साथ होता है और उसको हम थोड़ा ड्राई करके और वीट जो होता है विद कवर उसमें सेपरेट हो जाता है, ठीक है. लेकिन विनोविंग में क्या होगा कि वो जो उसका जो छिलका है, उसका जो चाफ है, उसको वीट से बिल्कुल हटा दिया जाता है. पहले स्टाक से सेपरेट करते हैं, दैट इज़ रिलेटेड टू थ्रेसिंग, और जब उसका जो चाफ है उसको वीट से सेपरेट किया जाता है, दैट इज़ विनोविंग. Now next is, which of the following tools help in uniform distribution of seeds while sowing? Options are thresher, seed drill, funnel connected to pipes और sprinkler. So answer is seed drill. सीड ड्रिल में क्या होगा कि जो सीड जो है एक सॉइल के अंदर एक जितनी ज़्यादा डेप्थ भी नहीं होनी चाहिए, कम भी नहीं होना चाहिए, तो इसलिए एक प्रॉपर डेप्थ और एक यूनिफॉर्म डिस्टेंस जो होता है वो सीड्स के बीच में बना रहता है. Now next is, which of the following animals is taken care of in animal husbandry? Options are rhino, tiger, buffalo, lion. So here is buffalo, because buffalo provide us milk, and then after we can farmers use them in different agricultural work. Now next question is, identify the agricultural method in which different crops are grown on a piece of land season after season. Options are irrigation, monoculture, crop rotation, shifting cultivation. So answer is crop rotation. Crop rotation में जो दो क्रॉप्स होती हैं उनको सीज़न के अकॉर्डिंग ग्रो किया जाता है. वन सीज़न में वन क्रॉप होगी और नेक्स्ट सीज़न में नेक्स्ट क्रॉप को ग्रो किया जाएगा, जिससे कि सॉइल की जो फर्टिलिटी है और क्रॉप प्रोडक्शन जो है वो इंक्रीज़ होगा. Now next question is, rhizobium bacteria in the root nodules of leguminous plants help in fixing. Options are sulfur, oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen. So answer is nitrogen. जो rhizobium bacteria है वो nitrogen fixation का वर्क करता है root nodules के अंदर. Now again some questions for you. So find answers and write in comment box, and if you have any doubt or any questions, then you can also write in comment box. I will reply. Okay friends, bye.